We at it again.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian.
All right, placing my bets for this NFL wildcard weekend. We got the Chargers in Houston. That's going to be a good game. If you guys go to Costco or BJ's or a supermarket that carries the fish sticks, those fish sticks are delicious and they're not that expensive. Just take some potato roll, the little sliders, some tartar sauce, and some cheese. You'll be able to make your own filet fish sandwich. Delicious. They are one of my favorites. It's cheap. I just heat them up in the toaster oven, put them on the bread, done, man. We are having fun. Right now, I gotta go see my boy Mike from Mike Tats. He's wanna order some shirts for his tattoo parlor. Let me go check him out right now. Well, just finished doing the Iron Punisher Gym's new logo. I just did the first one. We've been working a whole month just printing all his apparel. And Iron Punisher Gym is a physical fitness center. It caters to people that wants to do these competition, bodybuilding, showing. They even have a section where they'll show you how to model your muscles, how to do all this. Look at this, like that, something like that. I don't know. I just see here, but they focus on that, and he's been blowing up. He's only been he's not even 2 years yet. I'm the one that's creating their designs. I'm the one that's gonna be doing the apparel, and he likes the shirts I get on, how the print looks. People like it, so that's, if you're looking for a little stream of income in the side of somebody you want to deal with every month, look for these gyms. And try to sell. They don't have to be gym. It could be a cafe, anyone, but you try to push that where they could sell their own apparel in their business. You figure out a way to make it happen. Sorry about that. You figure out a way to make it happen, but it works out. It's good. And he has sent me this logo, and he said, could you do something like this? And that's what I did. I just grabbed that same logo and I just created my own, and real quick, I did it in about 15 minutes tops, easy in Photoshop. And if you want to learn about how to create logos on a circle, like you got the top and the bottom, do not go to Photoshop and start getting words and then go to art. The art, that looks horrible. That's not the way you do. What you want to do is get the elliptical tool, put it in a circle, and then type around the circle so the words could look more like a circle. And I have a video on that. I'll leave it in the description down below, or at the end of the video, I have it there where you could click on it. It will show you all the steps of how to even do something like that. Very easy. Awesome. It's very quick. You're gonna learn it like nothing, man. So right now, finished his. He's already approved. I already sent him the image. He loved it, with his own logo in the middle. Now I just got a call. That's the guy probably that called. He's outside. I got this guy coming to bring me 4 screens so I could just code them, do the film, expose them, and wash them off. And that's what you want to do. You want to have that little stream of income of people with screens. I gotta sometimes reclaim them, expose them, but that is good money. It's good money. How much you charge for something like that? Well, if you have to they bring you a new screen, and all you gotta do is set up the film, work on the image, set up the film, uncoat the screens, expose them and wash them off, you charge them $35. And if they want to reclaim it, that's a $10 right there for reclaiming. That's $45 per screen. Over here in New York, I know New York is very expensive. Maybe you live in some other state that is much cheaper, but here I'm talking about the price of New York, and people pay for it. They don't have it. A lot of people live in apartments. They don't have no wash booth, no exposure unit, but you know what? They got the press and they still work and they still sell the stuff. So look for that stream of income. It's gonna be great, man. So right now, let me go. He's probably outside already getting impatient.
Only the real, hard of this cause I'm ISO deal. Shine on these ice gold grills. Been in that house, yeah, I might go chill. Rather stay in cause I hate them fell. Link with the bros, yeah, I might call Lil.
Alright, it's about to be 4 o'clock. I wanna shut everything down, go home and go watch the NFL wildcard game. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get some wings. It's gonna be beautiful, man. And Sunday too. Sunday I ain't working coming in here. But today's message was that do not rely on just custom work. We screen printers, we felt 2024. A lot of screen printers that I spoke to, the business went down. They lost about good 35% of their business down. I know a few that shut down. They were not prepared for when business goes slow because they're only relying on clients. I had a lot of schools and nonprofits that their budget was cut basically in half. So instead of ordering $1,500 of shirts, they were only ordering about 700, 500, and not only twice a year, once a year. So yeah, it's gonna take down of your annual income. So I know how to do these little streaming, where I'm doing screens for people, creating a design and putting it on film and sending it all to them, or separating images. All that is beautiful stream of income. Make the most use of your thing. This year, I want to create my funnel, and I'm gonna start doing this thing to go to businesses like this one here, Bronx Dispensary. Right here in the Bronx, there's a lot of dispensaries popping up, and I'm going after them. Do their image, and then try to sell the shirts so they could sell their shirts in the shop. And maybe they want to just buy them, or on consignment, you make the business yourself. Consignment, you're going to charge a little more, you know, and because it's on credit, and or if they cash, you give them that option. But if you start getting these stores, you know, cafes, diners, gyms, and you just put their shirt and you bag it up, you send it to them, and then you become your own print on demand for businesses. So once they decide to say, you know, I need 4 mediums, 6 large, and 3 extra large, you have your screens. Do not erase the screens. That means you're gonna save on emulsion, on cleaning screens. I'm gonna get another rack, and I'm just gonna start building up these screens just for the businesses that I know I'm working on print on demand, meaning I'm gonna print it, bag it, I'm gonna charge you for the bag, I'm gonna pay for the bag and charge you for the bag, and then send it to them. And every week or 2 weeks, I go give them a call. What's going on? Do you need anything? And you want to refill up? Yeah, we're almost done with all the shirts. That's the business of this year. And I just want to talk about, I apologize. I feel bad that I had like about 4 months. I think more. I think was from August all the way to the end of the year. Last year, I was not posting videos. You know, I love this. I love doing content. This is my hobby. That's my job. This is my hobby. I love this. I don't care about the money of this. You know, I just like doing it. It keeps me busy, but I was so depressed. I was going through a lot of stuff. Not only depressed with personal things, but depressed also the business was not doing that good. I was trying to survive. It was taken away from my savings. So yeah, I got a little depressed, but this year I'm back in it, and I'm glad that I did it because it took me time to figure out the new content I want to bring, and I just want to document what I do every day, what I do during the week. Just that because I already have done a lot of videos, tutorial videos. I already have done a lot of them. Like right now, you want to know about the how to type in the circle? I have a video of it. So let me just talk about it right now and then just link you to that video. And I appreciate that. And I appreciate all you fans, all your comments and all this. The last video I posted, oh my God, so many comments of people that know DTF and telling me about how to do this, what's the press, that Ninja Transfers is good, and other people saying no, but I love it. That's the community I'm used to being. You know, I work here alone. My community is YouTube. I'm this year I'm gonna push myself to answer comments because I get so busy. I only work here by myself. So I get so busy, I don't have a chance to get all these comments going. But this year I'm gonna push myself because it's about my content and my business. That's all I'm doing for 2025, man. So if you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang.